Samsung has recently released the very first official video about the Galaxy S25. The video is quite brief, so let me explain to you more or less what happens. A woman seems to be in her office with her back turned and you can only hear her voice as she talks to Bixby. She tells Bixby that she's having a meeting and needs to find an Italian restaurant with an outdoor view that is pet-friendly. She asks Bixby to send the proposal to Luca. Then she adds, "Oh, by the way, also add it to my calendar." And just at the moment when it's turning over, allowing us to catch a glimpse of the cell phone, there's only a bright glare obstructing our view of the Galaxy S25. However, shortly after, text emerges on the screen, announcing that a genuine artificial intelligence companion is on its way soon, named Galaxy AI. Following this, the invitation we've been anticipating for the Galaxy Unpacked event appears, scheduled for January 22nd. In this invitation, we notice 4 corners of devices, which, as I had previously mentioned, might hint at an additional new member joining the family, which is usually 3. For several generations, Samsung has had this structure. For example, Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra. It is expected that this year Samsung will also present the Galaxy S25 Slim, but it was expected to be later. However, now that we see these 4 corners on the invitation, we could anticipate that Samsung will introduce the Galaxy S25 Slim from this very January 22. There are some really good things that create a high expectation for what Samsung is going to present, so make sure to stay tuned and I will tell you all about it.